Have shared some nouns in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Mother, Ima, children, Shoshumara, teacher, Oja. Homajanilu, here I am Tapati Singha from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share something about parts of speech. So be with me till the end. Parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Every word in a sentence is a part of speech. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, parts of speech kita. বাক্য বা পাৰেঙাহানৰ ভিতৰে থাৰ শব্দ আঁকি কৰে পদ বুলিয়া মাতিয়াৰ Part of speech means পদ চিনানি in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Okay? বাক্য বা পাৰেঙাহানৰ ভিতৰে থাৰ শব্দ আঁকি কৰে পদ বুলিয়া মাতিয়াৰ There are 8 parts of speech in English, you know that. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. There are 8 parts of speech. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, there are 5 parts of speech. Bisheshya, Bisheshan, Sarbonam, Kriya, Abhay. 5 parts of speech. Bisheshya in English, noun. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about only noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word in brief. We can say that. In other words, nouns are words that are used to name places, people, things, animals, etc. যে শব্দই kuno pham, bastu, manu, pasur nang bujar, ও শব্দ তার oiltai Bisheshya Pada. Now, let me share some naming words in English as well as in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The first one is mother means Ima, father means Baba, doctor means Doctor, hospital means Aspatal, children, Shoshumara, dog, kukur, cat, mekur, elephant, atti, umbrella, satti, justice, nyay, freedom, স্বাধীনতা. There are many nouns in English as well as in Bishnupriya Manipuri. I have given here only some of them. Now, let me share some sentences using nouns. The first sentence. The mother loves her children. Here in this sentence, mother and children, nouns, okay? The mother loves her children. The mother means Ima, loves means Vanapedi, her children, her means Ter, children means Shoshumara. So it will be the mother loves her children, Imai, Ter, Shoshumara re Vanapedi. The second sentence, the teacher teaches the students in the classroom. The teacher, noun, students, noun, classroom, noun. Okay. The teacher means Ojai, teaches Bagader, the students, Satra, in the classroom, Bagadenar Kuthagot. So it will be Ojai Bagadenar Kuthagot, Satra Bagader. The next sentence is I have bought an umbrella. I means me, have bought. Loilu have bought. Loilu an umbrella. N means ago, umbrella means sati. So it will be I have bought an umbrella. Me Satyago Loilu. The next sentence is she loves reading books. She loves. She means they. Loves means hobapedi. Reading means tamkorani. Books means lyric. She loves reading books means tei, lyric, pakorani, or you can say tamkorani, lyric, pakorani, hoba peri. The next sentence is the bird sang a beautiful song. In this sentence, the bird is noun and song is noun. The bird sang a beautiful song. The bird means pahiagui. Sang means desil. A beautiful song. A means ahan. Beautiful means Nungshipa. Song means Ella. So it will be the bird sang a beautiful song. Pahiagui Nungshipa Ella ahan desil. Pahiagui Nungshipa Ella ahan desil. The next sentence. The cat sat on the mat. The cat. The cat means mekurgoi. Or you can say mekurgo. Sat, bohesil, on the mat. Mat means pitahanat. On the mat. Pitahanat. So it will be the cat sat on the mat. Mekurgo pitahanat bohesil. On the mat. Pitahanat. Sat bohesil. The cat means mekurgo. The next sentence is I live in India. In this sentence, you know that India is the name of a place, so it will be noun. India is noun. I live in India. I means me, live means Thauri in India. Bharote. So it will be me, Bharote, Thauri. Me, Bharote, Thauri. The next sentence is my mother works in a school. In this sentence, mother and school are two nouns here. Okay. My mother works in a school. My mother. My means more. Mother means ima. Works means kam koriri. In a school. Skule, or you can say school agot. A means agot. In a school means school agot. So it will be my mother works in a school. More imai school agot kam koriri. The next sentence is we want justice. We means ami, want means বিচাৰিয়াৰ. We want justice. Justice is the noun. This one is abstract noun. We want justice. Justice means nyai. So it will be we want justice. Ami nyai বিচাৰিয়াৰ. Want means বিচাৰিয়াৰ. We means ami. We want justice. Ami nyai বিচাৰিয়াৰ. The next sentence is, and this is the last sentence, everybody loves freedom. Everybody means habiye. Habiye. Loves. Hobabei tara. Or you can say banapei tara. Everybody means habiye. Loves means hobapei tara. Freedom means স্বাধীনতা. In this sentence, freedom is noun, that is abstract noun. Everybody loves freedom. হাবিয়ে স্বাধীনতা হবা পেইতারা. Okay? হাবিয়ে স্বাধীনতা হবাবে তারা. So these are the sentences I have shared today using the words noun. Okay. So today I have shared some nouns in Bishnupriya Manipuri. They are mother, Ima, children, Shoshumara, teacher, Oja, students, Satra, classroom, Bagadanar Kotha, umbrella, Satti, song, Ella, the bird, Pahiago, justice, Nyai, freedom, স্বাধীনতা, etc. I hope you can learn these words easily. Okay, you practice for 10 minutes every day. Then you can learn easily the new words. Okay, so let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Thank you all for watching this video. Namaskar.